If your MSI laptop keeps booting straight into the BIOS instead of Windows, don't panic. This issue is way more common than you think, and it's usually an easy fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest, foolproof steps to get your MSI laptop out of the BIOS loop and back into Windows. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also show you what to do if your SSD is actually dead. So why does the BIOS loop happen? Whenever an MSI laptop can't detect a bootable drive, usually your SSD, it doesn't know where Windows is installed. The system then sends you right into BIOS every single time. This can happen after installing a new SSD, changing hardware, corrupted Windows files, or simply incorrect BIOS settings. Let's start with the most common fix: physical inspection. If you recently installed or replaced your SSD, shut your laptop down completely. If you're comfortable opening the back panel, carefully remove it and check the SSD. Make sure it's seated firmly and fully locked into the slot. If your model has 2 SSD slots, try moving it to the other one. It sounds simple, but this alone fixes the issue for a lot of users. Now, let's jump into the BIOS settings. Restart your laptop and press Delete or F2 when you see the MSI logo. Once inside, go to the settings menu and then system status. Here, check if your SSD is listed. If the SSD isn't showing up, that means the system can't detect it at all. Either it wasn't installed correctly or the drive itself has failed. Hold on, I'll cover this case in a moment. But if the SSD is detected, go to the boot tab. Make sure the boot mode is set to UEFI if you're running Windows 10 or 11. For older systems, you can choose Legacy plus UEFI. After that, put your SSD at the very top of the boot priority list. This tells your laptop exactly which drive it should start from. If the problem still continues, it's time to reset the BIOS. Choose Restore Defaults or Load Optimize Defaults, then select Save, and Exit. This fixes any incorrect settings that might be stopping your system from booting properly. Now, what if the SSD still doesn't show up at all? That usually means the drive is corrupted or has failed completely. At this point, you have two options: replace the SSD with a new one or reinstall Windows using a bootable USB. If you're not sure whether the SSD is actually dead, getting a professional diagnosis is a smart move before buying anything new. And that's it. These steps fix the BIOS loop issue for most MSI laptops. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your MSI laptop back up and running.